Manisha Chopra. I am a nutritionist, dietitian, fitness expert and a master trainer. Today we are going to talk about Navratri diet, which is actually a detoxification. But we need to take care of hydration as well. Navratri diet might actually be the detox diet for your body if it is followed correctly. Let's see how the fasting and certain food items during this period actually helps the body to detox. A good diet is important to boost our immunity, and especially during these times. Hence, generations back people introduce certain diets in the name of festivity so that the body gets the strength to face the weather change. During Navratri fast, sattvic food is usually consumed, which is extremely healthy. Now, the flours and the grains that are usually included during this time are buckwheat, kuttu flour, water chestnut, singhara flour, amaranth, rajgira flour, and millet, same flour. Now, did you know that these are all gluten-free and are recommended as healthier alternatives in the name of our fad diets? You must also have noticed that many of the regular ingredients consumed on the daily basis are also replaced by another version of the same item or similar one, rock salt or sendha namak, which is the only salt you can use in Navratri times. Now, it is very beneficial because it helps to control your blood pressure and it helps to absorb minerals better than common salt. In fact, you will find that all food items that make the body feel heavier, bloated or induce acidity are not consumed. The whole structure of Navratri Vrat supports a healthy lifestyle, and only if you do not make it fancy, fried food version, it is for your taste, it will make a difference to your health. Now, do not end up having fried potatoes, pakoras and vadas. It will actually beat the whole process. Steam it up with generous amount of water in the form of detox teas, herbal teas, buttermilk, coconut water. You can add chia seeds in it and you will see a visible change in yourself. So all these foods will help in detoxification, and for dehydration, we have to include lots and lots of water, normal water, coconut water, you can add chia seeds in it and you will see a visible change in yourself. So all these foods will help in detoxification, and for dehydration, we have to include lots and lots of water, normal water as well to keep up with our hydration. The key here is in the 9 days of Navratri, people should detoxify the whole body in healthy process. While detoxifying, hydrate your body with loads of, I already mentioned, the water which you need to take. Along with it, we can take lot of green teas, which are oolong, parsley, ginger and peppermint. Lot of teas, hibiscus trees, you can take it. You can up your hydration level to a next level. If you're not lactose intolerant, you can have lots of yogurt. You can have 1 pomegranate juice, you can add half beetroot juice, add ginger, add lemon and enjoy your hydration. Enjoy your healthy self, a new you, and see the change. And one last thing, detoxify your mental health too. Hydrate it with loads of love and self-care. Signing off with loads of love, Manisha. Thank you.